So real quick, I want to walk through the trade that I did here from a logic perspective, right, to keep it as simple as possible. So there was a major demand zone here at 405.20, give or take. Drew it all the way over, right? So from a 5-minute price action perspective, came around, tapped this area, tried to do a little bit of bounce. It went up a bit, but not a lot. Came back, tapped it here, and fell down. From an entry perspective, you can see what happened over here, right? Here's that first tap, as mentioned. Came down, tapped it. It didn't give like a beautiful upward bounce right afterwards, which I'll kind of explain what that technically looks like, what I mean. And so it went down here, tapped it on the little green piece here, and just went sideways, essentially. Wasn't nicely just initially bouncing up clean like. Then it finally went up a little bit. So if you did enter it, it's fine. You would have made money, but then sideways-ish kind of downward trend. Then broke through, came back, tapped it, and now it's falling down. So where I entered is, it's kind of going sideways now. Where I entered is about in the middle of this little red camel here. We're at the moment over here, but planned exits is down here, right? At this little zone here from what? I don't know how many days ago that was. So we're over here, right? And today is Monday. And so the last zone, the last time it was all the way over there, was all the way on a previous Monday, 2 Mondays ago actually, from a multi-day zone is what I call it, over here. And if I zoom in there, you can see there's quite a bit of consolidation here as an overall whole. So just basically waiting for that to come back down and then sell it at this price point. So I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back now and sell it for about 2,400 bucks or so if I can get out anyway. Let's see if I can get out. And there we go. So same logic applies, right? It was wouldn't give me the call over here, went sideways, finally broke down, wait for the retest, and yeah, basically just sell it at my take profit. Probably will keep going down because overall market trend at the moment is kind of downward trending. But the fact that this candle actually formed pretty quickly is like down there and then kind of bounced back kind of spooks me a bit. So I'm just going to get out. But quick 2K and yeah, done and done.